Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. In our last class, we discussed about the topic adjectives. So today we are going to know more about the adjectives and their kinds. What is adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. We can see one example here. Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Now, kinds of adjectives. There are different kinds of adjectives. These are: number 1, adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. Number 2, adjectives of quantity or number. Number 3, demonstrative adjectives. Number 4, possessive adjectives. And number 5, interrogative adjectives. So what is descriptive adjectives? These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind. For example, honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. New Delhi is a large city. It is describing the city. What kind of city it is? It is large with many historical monuments. Sheila is a beautiful woman. What kind of woman she is? She is a beautiful woman. So beautiful is a descriptive adjective. In this slide, we can see some example of descriptive adjectives. These are young, old, thin, soft, hard, fat, long, short, etc. Come to the adjectives of quantity. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. For example, all, half, many, few, little, no, enough, great, etc. They have finished most of the rice. Here, a particular amount is do not told. So many people came to visit the fair. How many people? We don't know. So it doesn't give us any exact number. So many is a adjective of quantity. Some examples are given here of adjectives of quantity. These are whole, enough, little, all, 100, no, some, sufficient, any, few, most, heavily, empty, great, couple, half, much, insufficient, abundant, light, numerous, single, substantial, hundreds, double, sparse, each, full, huge, several, significant, couple of days, a lot, too, many, heavy, lots of, a little bit, plenty of, enough of. These are some examples of adjectives of quantity. Now come to the next slide, that is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives these, that, these or those. That bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. So, in these 4 examples, that, these, those and these are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. In this slide we can see this, it is a singular and it is near also, and that, which one is far, and these, it is in the plural form, which is near, and those, which is far. Now come to the possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective expresses possession of a noun by someone or something. Possessive adjectives are the same as possessive pronouns. My car is very old. Our dog is black. Their homework is on the table. So all bold letter, my, our, their, it shows a possession of a noun. So these are the possessive adjectives. All the possessive adjectives are listed in this slide. You can see here singular and plural. My, the plural form is our. Your is same as your. His, their, her, their, its, their. In this picture you can get a clear idea of possessive adjectives. This is my picture. In the second one you can see Sam is enjoying his ice drop. Whose? His. So its mouth is very big. These are your shoes. They are listening to their teacher. So pronoun, subject pronouns and possessive is adjectives. I, mine, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their. Now interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjectives? These adjectives are used to ask questions about noun or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which, and whose. Where did he say he was going? What assignment did I miss out on? Which is your favorite author? So all bold letters, where, what, which is used for interrogation. So these are the interrogative adjectives. In this picture you can see what is your name, which is your favorite sport, who is your favorite singer, whom does Jim live with, whose book is that. So dear children, today we learn what is adjective and the different kinds of adjective. Thank you.